Hello, everyone. In this video, we'll discussing about the diagram of HR schema of Oracle. If you are aware about it, HR schema is a test schema provided with Oracle while it comes with installation, so that we can practice upon it. Bill made a diagram of that schema. You can see there are 7 tables: employees, departments, job history, locations, jobs, countries, and regions. And they are connected with each other in some way or the other way. The attributes have been listed here in the bubble shape. This diamond shape represents the relations. If you see, the employees and departments have 3 relations. One through employee ID, one through employee ID and manager ID, yes, and another through department ID and department ID, and one relation is with it itself, meaning since employee has a manager ID as well, there is no another manager table, meaning the within the employee there are some manager as well, so it has a self relationship as well. Then employee is connected with job history. The cardinality, you can see one employee can have multiple job history. For example, one employee has worked as accountant for some time, then he was changed to another position. So one employee has multiple job history. The phone number attribute has a composite attribute combined from country code, area code, and phone number. These three combination has formed a phone number attribute. So it is a composite attribute. The countries and regions. You might feel some confusion here. The countries, multiple countries within one regions, but the region here means something like continent, Europe, Asia, like this. So there can be multiple countries within one regions. The countries associated with locations through country ID. It has also one-to-many relations. The location ID connected with department through one-to-many relations, meaning one location, many department. Within one location, there are number of departments. So it has one-to-many relationship. So this is a complete diagram of the HR schema database. Thank you.